18 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಬಳಿಕ ಟಿಎಸ್ಐ ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ತಂಡ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಆರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮರಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಯುವ ಚಾಲಕ ಡೀನ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ರೇನ್ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹ-ಚಾಲಕ ಗಗನ್ ಕರುಂಬಯ್ಯ ಜೋಡಿ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಇಸ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಾನರಿಯಾಸ್ 2026ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ನಡೆಸಲಿದೆ. ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಆರ್ಸಿ 3 ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಫಿಯೆಸ್ಟಾ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ 3 ಕಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯುರೋಪಿನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ತಜ್ಞ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪಿಎಚ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿರುವುದು ತಂಡದ ಬಲವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿದೆ. 2025ರ ಐಎನ್ಆರ್ಸಿ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಗಳಾದ ಡೀನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗಗನ್ ಈಗ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಡೀನ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ರೇನ್ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವ 3ನೇ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಚಾಲಕರಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ ಬರೆಯಲು ಈ ತಂಡ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿದೆ.
At that time, we jumped straight into it, and we did not, at that point of time, realize what it takes. Then we took a step back. We planned, we collected ourselves, and we said, this is not the way to go about it. If we want to have success in the long run, we need to structure it a little more. And we've been working, like Nicholas said, for the past 7 years, trying to plan a proper strategy. Our aim is to put Indian drivers on the topmost step of WRC. So WRC starts with WRC 3, 2, and 1. So our aim is to have a works driver from India. The difference between F1, a lot of you people must be hearing of late the government talking of F1 and they want to bring F1 to the country and everything. The difference between WRC and F1 is, in F1 you take people to the sport, but in WRC or in rallying we take the sport to the people. So we are going to places, we are going to town centers, we are starting from town centers, we are rallying around the countryside. So we are taking the sport to the people. It's getting immensely popular. It's very important. The cost levels of getting into an F1 for 20 seats, the amount of people who are competing for those 20 seats are very, very big. WRC is more, we feel, related to India and the way we are and what we can do from our country. It takes a lot of effort for a country to start preparing its drivers to compete at this level. And we work very hard.
Initially starting from racing dirt bikes to driving a Maruti S-Team to being in the top step in the Rally 4 category, driving in India and winning the national title in 2025 was a milestone in itself. And now the doors have opened for me to drive in the WRC with a beautiful team by my side, TSI Racing, a visionary person like Mohan Nagarajan sir, who has mentored me to go into this kind of platform, and with a beautiful team to prepare a world-class car.